Hello businessmen. Today I'm showing you how to save money by replacing handwatch battery with simple and cheap tools at home. The process is not complicated, but you can save a pile of money and time without going to a watches service. To do this wristwatch maintenance and battery replacement process, you need to buy a watch repair toolkit or a few necessary tools, depending on the type of your watch. The watch repair tools will pay back after 1 or 2 battery changes, depending on how much a battery change costs in your city. Today we are going to change the battery of this Hазвание manufacturer watch. To change a watch battery, you first need to open the case back, under which is the old battery. Each watch manufacturer may have its own way of opening the case back. For this Armani exchange watch for women, the case back is opened with the following tool. This Swatch watch is the simplest way, because the battery is under this little cover. To open the case back of this Hазвание watch, you have to fit the watch opener tool to the right width, and then screw open the case back, under which you will find the battery. To replace the battery, you need to carefully remove the battery retaining plastic, then you can take the battery out, but remember direction, how it was put in. This Hазвание watch requires a 371 model battery. It is as easy to insert the new battery. Once the battery is in place, insert the battery retaining plastic correctly too, and finally screw the case back cover back on. First screw it on with your fingers' help, to make sure it screws in properly, then tighten it with the watch opener tool to keep moisture out of the watch. Congratulations, it was that simple, you saved at least $15. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. As always, I'd love it if you like and subscribe, so we can meet up in another money-saving video. May the time always be right for you.